Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, transferring assets between exchanges like Crypto.com and Binance is a must-know skill. Today, we're focusing on how to safely move USDT from Crypto.com to Binance. This step-by-step guide will make the process quick and hassle-free, so you can focus on trading or growing your portfolio. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you have accounts set up on both platforms and that you have some USDT in your Crypto.com wallet. Start by logging into your Crypto.com app or website. Navigate to your wallet section and select USDT from your assets list. Next, look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. This is where things get specific. Choose the network for your transfer. For Binance, I recommend using the BEP20 network as it's often faster and cheaper, but double-check availability in 2025 to avoid any issues. Once selected, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient address. Now, switch over to Binance. Log into your account, go to the Wallet tab, and select Deposit. Choose USDT and match the network you picked on Crypto.com. Consistency is key here to prevent lost funds. Copy the deposit address provided by Binance. Head back to Crypto.com. Paste the Binance address into the withdrawal form, and enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Take a moment to review everything: the address, network, and amount. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify with a 2FA code for added security. After confirmation, the transaction will process. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's complete, log back into Binance and check your wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. A quick word of advice: always verify network compatibility to avoid fees or lost assets, keep an eye on transaction costs, and never share your private keys. Crypto security is more important than ever in 2025. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Crypto.com to Binance. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.